Hello guys, and welcome back to a video that a lot of you requested on Twitch. So I'll try do my best to explain it, what I'm doing and stuff like that. So first thing that we're going to do is literally open this program. Now I have a second monitor, so I'll have to move some programs, but most of you requested how can I do a live wallpaper on my Windows, and how can example you can make your bar here transparent, for example how you see here. So for these ones there are two things that you can do, two small things. The first one, well, both of them they require Microsoft Store, so just go here and try, here you go, download translucent TB and just install it, and after that download lively wallpaper and install it. Now with the taskbar, for example, which is the translucent, which is over here, you can literally, when it comes out, it will be like this, so full clear, full everything. I'm not a big fan of a full clear because on some of them the watch here you won't be able to see it and stuff like that. But for example you can tweak with it, you can play with it, you can make it back to normal, you can make it fluent, you know, you can make it like a little blur, so it's up to you how you want. Now with the video one, you open lively wallpaper. I'll move it here so you can see it. So once here you actually have some of them which they are preloaded. For example this one is for them. You just click on it and then you will just get this thing over here. For example this one actually it's with your mouse, so it will react to your mouse, depend what you want to do. But if you open here and you go on plus, you can actually put a YouTube URL. So for example if I'll go on youtube.com/GamesHD, which is one of my channels, right, I can take my last live, for example. Don't fucking mess with him, thank you. Wow, nice conversations here. So if I close it and I just put the URL here, right, it will ask me what it is and stuff like that, so you like have to add it like a normal one. So this one is a live GamesY HD GamesY YouTube, right? So once I hit OK, it will literally transform my wallpaper into this thing. Now the quality is 10 times better. For example this lightning scroll, it's also a video from YouTube. I'll just move the application and you can see that it's literally working perfectly, easy to do, stuff like that. Or if you have a local one, you just select browse and then you go to where you have the local one and select it. Now me, I have a local one for GamesY HD and I'm going to use this one. Now how do I make this sound here for my Spotify or whatever sound it is? If you're watching a clip on YouTube and stuff like that, this will literally always be here. Now this is actually a program called Rainmeter. So you just go on Google and you type Rainmeter. You download Rainmeter, you download the final one, never download the beta, trust me, I did try it and it doesn't work. And now you go on Google and download Rainmeter Visualizer and you will get all kind of things, so you just, it depends on which one do you prefer. For example something like this, you just download them, literally just download and you double click on them. Once you double click on them, it will literally activate and install here. Now this one that I'm using, I can open settings and it's called linear visualize settings, so you can search for this one if you prefer this one, if you want it exactly like me. Now how you can see, I don't have a close button, so you have to right click and select the close one. Once you click well, once you activate it, everything is there. It will automatically start with your computer. Now another thing, if your computer is a little bit slow, keep in mind that some of them, they're going to turn on with your computer, so it might be a good idea not to use all of them, especially if you're gaming and stuff like that. For example, Rainmeter, I actually disable it. My computer can handle it, but if I'm gaming, I won't be able to see it anyway, so what's the point? I'm only using it like in personal space and stuff like that. But this is how you do it in easy mode on how to customize your computer and stuff like that. With Rainmeters, you can also use like a lot of things. For example, weather. So you just go here, and again, you just Google it and you'll get all kind of weathers widgets. So you can add like widget, you can add every single thing that your heart desire, and you can customize it the way you like. Me personally, I'm not a big fan of customizing too much my computer, but just for the sake of it, I think I should be able to just log in. Yeah, because I don't have an account here. Say hello, thank you very much, say goodbye. So for example, I download it here. I'll just put it on my desktop. So once it's downloaded, if I just click on it, Rainmeter, or hi, it is required to install this package, get the latest version. Okay, I need to update. So I'll just update with you guys here. Even though I'm pretty sure I do have the latest one. Maybe I don't. So with this one, just standard one, literally never play with it, never stuff like that. So just upload it. Rainmeter 4.4. Okay, this one is for our beta one. So you have to always, if you want beta, yeah, I would not recommend, to be completely honest, because it has a lot of bugs, especially with performance and stuff like that. So let's try selecting another one. Let's try this one. So like this, you can literally see because how to activate it. So you press it, okay? Now keep in mind, when you press, if you leave this one checked, it will delete all the widgets that you have and just use this one. So never check this one, otherwise you'll have to re-add every single thing back. So uncheck this one and install. Once this one was unchecked, you can either right click and from here manage to do it, or just open Rainmeter. Well, which one was this one? Mini weather, so that's the one. Double click on mini weather, and here you get like all kind of stuff. For example, country. If I load this one, this is it. If I go to just forecast, for example, you get multiple of them. You know, just icon, modern. Let's see how modern works. And this is it. Now what I do, it has to be settings here, so you can change, like, because I'm pretty sure it thinks that I am in a different country that is putting me. Oh no, it is. Okay. So you get all this kind of stuff and stuff like that. For example, I do have other. Okay, this is the fountain of colors, for example, and I got clone. So I do have like another visualizer that I can use, but I'm not a big fan of them and stuff like that. So I prefer to just keep it simple. So you get a lot of stuff. It's just up to you and your imagination. This one, it's a different one, so it's not a combination with this one, because I did check a lot of them before. For example, this one, right? Recycle bin system. If you enable this one is a standard. You can see like how much my computer is actually struggling with all the things right now at the moment. A clock, you can put like a simple clock on the desktop. So this one is here. You can download your own and make it however you want to be. So this is how to customize your Windows PC. Make it yours, make it better. Now, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will try to answer every single one of you. I'm pretty sure I will be able to, because you know I don't have too many subscribers at the moment. So, but yeah, this is how you customize your Windows PC. When you're done with them, you just right click, exit, and that's it. Right click, exit, and that's it, and you're going to be back to normal with no problem and stuff like that. So you just close the programs. But yeah, this is it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I managed to teach you something, and if you want and have any more questions, just let me know. If you want to see something else, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.